Hello everyone, welcome back to the Candle Trek. Today we're gonna again review our trades that we took. Yesterday I could not post the video. I was a bit busy, but yesterday was not even a very good day. So yeah, let's actually review that first, then we'll come to today. So yeah, let's go back to yesterday. So first, let's set the history. So custom period, and yesterday was what, 11. So let's go for 11:09, right? And let's arrange them chronologically. This is yesterday, right? Yeah, this is yesterday. So 14, let's go back to 14 and let's see what kind of trades we took yesterday. So 14 was the first trade of 11. So okay, 12. Okay, let's go. So 14 must be somewhere around over here. So this is the first trade, I guess. 14 something. 13.53. Is this the first trade of yesterday? Yes, I guess this is the one because I think this is the first, but it is not showing over here. Yeah, so anyways, the first trade is minus 3.8 of loss. Yeah, this is the first one. Okay. So yesterday market was not so good, and still I was adamant in my trading, and which actually cost me a lot. So let's actually review all of that. So this is the first trade that we are looking at over here. I don't know how to synchronize all of these charts. If you know how to, please tell me in the comments, because I have to manually just scroll back in all of them to where the trades. I guess I don't want to show any trades over here because I guess all of them are same screens. So let's actually review over here. The first trade and what I was seeing at this time, let's see that. I was saying it was a pretty good downtrend, so I entered over here in the short. It is a good entry actually. It stopped me out. That is unlucky. And after that, if you see on the screen over here, it is stuck in a range, and I was not seeing that from like a bigger perspective. As you can see from the bigger perspective, if I take it back over here, it was in some sort of a downtrend. But after that, it got stuck in a range. So this is in a range. Literally, I don't see a market moving anywhere over here, right? So what did I do? I was adamant with my bearish trend. See over here, I was seeing bearish, but I refused to see that it is now stuck, not moving anywhere. I took one more trade. I guess this is the other one. No, this is the other one. It stopped me out pretty quickly, right? And then it again got stuck over here, and I could not trade at this point. Like, see, this is like every day. I miss the whole trending part, and again I join in when the market gets like stuck, right? And now what I was seeing in this trade, I was saying that okay, wait, this is the high, another high, another high, and this is coming down. So pretty good short entry, not a bad one. But I quickly ended that after I saw pretty large candles over here. I am sure my stop loss was somewhere around here. So I actually was very hasty with my decision. I said, oh no, it is gonna move high again. So let's cut it and let's enter a buy trade. That was a stupid trade over here. This one was a stupid trade. So yeah, it actually cost me that, as you can see. I entered over here and again re-entered over here, right? I re-entered over here because I thought it is now going up. But the problem, okay, what I was actually seeing is this high and it broke that high, right? So it is bullish. I did not wait for any retest or anything or like even a pullback, and I entered over here. So yeah, it just fell down after that. It fell a lot, right? So if I was stuck, I actually did not cut this first trade. I would have been a pretty good profit. After that, I was judging the candle by every trade. As you saw the rules, that is not something I do. But yesterday, I don't know what happened. I was doing that on every candle. Over here, I thought, okay, wait, this is a pretty good pullback. Let's enter. And no, it was not a good pullback. I got stopped out. Pretty good pullback. Let's enter. No, I got stopped out again. But every time the market was moving pretty much in my favor. So this trade was 8 points. See, if it moved in my favor, it would have been around 10, 20 points, right? So again, I entered a short over here. This was again a pretty good entry, not a bad entry. I got stopped out because market was not deciding to go anywhere. Then I entered a short over here because yeah, it was pretty good pullback. So I entered a short, but yeah, it got stuck for a while, and I put my stop loss just over this high and stopped me out. So pretty bad trade this one also. 0. 0.4. Which one is 0. 0.4? This one. So up to now I'm totally red. Like my account is literally bleeding right now. After that, I guess there was one trade in which I got lucky, which was not even yesterday. It is today actually. So this is all that happened yesterday, and with this much of trade, I was actually down. I don't know exactly, but I can actually so tell this MT5 to so by how much was I down. So let's tell that only show it up to 12. Let's see what it does. So no, 12 means it also counted today. So let's say only do it for 11 yesterday only. Minus 57. Lots of bad decisions, and yeah, only one trade in which I was profitable. And actually, there were multiple trades in which I could have been profitable, but as you can see over here, market after that was stuck, and yeah, in this dormant time, it was actually again trending downwards. So yeah, yesterday was pretty bad day to trade, and let's come to today. So today's first trade. Now, as we know, this was minus 57 or something. So, okay, not all history. Let's go to custom period and today. Yeah. Okay. So if I come to today, the first trade was, okay, I guess it was, yeah, first trade was 1402 around the same time. So let's go for 1402, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 over here. So today I actually started not hoping a lot because yesterday was a pretty bad day. I thought just try to stay above 10,000. Otherwise, yeah, it would be a very bad thing. Now, what I was seeing over here, actually, I was looking at the market since over here. It was in a pretty good downtrend. So this is what I define as downtrend. In this screen at least it should look like from this corner to this corner, or if it is uptrend from this corner to that corner, right? It's a pretty good downtrend. So I thought of entering a short over here, but what was I seeing on this chart over here is that it was stuck. It was not able to break this low, so I did not enter, but it just broke it like it was nothing, right? So I missed that, but after I saw these pullbacks, now the market was spiking, so I could not actually trade over here. But when I saw, okay, wait, so this is a structure, this is a structure, it was breaking that structure, so I entered over here with a stop loss of somewhere around here. It was only a 0.5 0.05 lot trade. I entered over here pretty good. It went into my direction for a very long time, and again I re-entered with a one lot of 0.1 lot over here. So because again it was, see what I was seeing at this point, see from this side to that side, pretty good downtrend, so I entered a short over here, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. Actually, I got stopped out, and like over here I did not know that the market was going to reverse or do something. I actually had put a stop loss. I had to, sorry, profit target. I had to go somewhere out. That's why I put it for this trade at least, not for that one. For the other one, it was somewhere around here, which got triggered over here later. But over here, if you see, I tried to re-enter again. But yeah, after this candle, I thought, no, it is not going to go in my direction, because after this big fall, as we are seeing over here, if this falls like with a big red or in this case white candle, so it should basically fall down in at least 2 or 3 candles. It did not, it just stopped over here, so I just exited my trade with a 0.65 profit. After that I re-entered a short because what I was seeing is again a very good downtrend. So I entered a short, but it took me out, right? So again, a good entry, but yeah, market just wanted to go a bit further for the pullback. This other trade was cut off over here. It hit the stop loss. I was trailing the stop loss, and after that, it made a high. I again re-entered somewhere around over here, right? So yeah, it broke this sort of trend. If you see this pullback, I have not said trend. It is a pullback. I entered over here, and actually it was pretty good. Not pretty good, I would say, because this was again 0.05 lot trade, I think. Yeah, 0.05. So I made 15 on that. If it was one, it would have been 30 like the previous one. But yeah, market was not pretty good. And now you see there is one different or one change in my ATR over here. What I have changed is I have shown zero point 0.5 line with a blue, which basically tells me that if the market is staying below or even around that zero point 0.5 line, I should be trading with 1, or if it is above that, I should be trading with zero point 0.5 because market is very volatile, right? If it is above that zero point 0.5 line. So that is what I was doing. And after that, again, saw this is a pretty good pullback, right? It was breaking down. So I entered over here, but I got stopped out. Again, wanted to enter. Now this is jumping the gun. The other trade was totally stupid. So I entered over here, but it again stopped me out. I guess this is this one, other one, right? $5. Yeah. So yeah, it was now in a complex sort of pullback. When it again tried to fall down, see what I was actually saying is this structure, structure, and other structure. So it was some sort of a pullback within a pullback. So I entered over here with a pretty decent stop loss, but I got just stopped out, right? So yeah, after that it was kind of trending up. Now see, I would not call this trending up. I should actually write this down in my rules, because if in this whole screen, if it starts from the point and it also ends at the same point, it is not trending. It should be diagonally across any of the diagonals, right? So it was a bad idea. After that, over here, this was the last trade that I took before recording today. I just cut it off over here because I had to record the video. So now what I was seeing is, yeah, it could not break the high. It was struggling to break the high. So I entered a short over here with a pretty tight stop loss somewhere around over here only, and it went into my direction for a pretty good time, but it again started to just struggle. And if you see, it is not a good sign of the market. So I exited, and also I had to make the video. That's why I exited that with a $4 profit. So today it was plus 39. Yesterday it was minus 57.58. So whatever is the total, you might be seeing in the thumbnail anyways. So this is it. So this was the trade for yesterday and today. Combined together, actually, we can actually do the same thing that we did. We can make this 11. And now if you see, it shows the total is minus 18. So that is what you might have seen in the thumbnail. It is minus 18 in 2 days. And after yesterday, I actually was pretty scared and lost almost the confidence, because yesterday was a very bad day. Because I do not make even like $58 of profit in one day, but I lost all of that in one day. So that was pretty scary. I like will try to follow like basic rules at least, which I just explained to you. That yeah, see, it is below this blue line. That means I can trade with one now. Okay. It was below this blue line over here also, but I still did it with 0.5 because at this time market is not there's not enough volume. It can go anywhere with just a small volumes. That's why I did not take that risk. So I should be clever from now on. So this is it. This is for today and yesterday. Let's see what tomorrow brings. And that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.